Hi everyone, it's great to see you. I have been enjoying the flowers in the garden so much, and I hope that you are enjoying your garden. My daylilies have started to bloom, the hydrangea are coloring up beautifully, and oh, this is just the best time to be a gardener. And I have to tell you that I did find another hydrangea that I just had to have. So this box arrived today from Garden Crossings, and I don't know if you're familiar with the Garden Crossings YouTube channel, but Heidi does an amazing job with her videos and tells you so much about the plants that are out there, the flowers that you can add into your garden. I have to say I'm hooked. And this particular hydrangea, when I saw the description of it, I went, I know I promise no more hydrangeas, but I have to add this one to my collection. So I have a really beautiful hydrangea called City Line Paris. It stays nice and small. It's a really bright pink color, but it is not very reliable to bloom in the cold weather. So the first year I got it, it came beautifully, flowered up right to begin with. Last year it did not bloom at all. This year I do have a couple blossoms on it. I'm really excited. But what made me order this hydrangea was it said, if you love City Line Paris, this is very comparable, but it blooms on new wood too. So this is going to be reliable and getting those beautiful dark pink mop heads. And that's exactly what I wanted. So of course, I was sold and I ordered it. Now, the great things with Garden Crossing is I have found ordering from them, they are very quick in their turnaround time. I think I ordered this one 2-3 days ago, and already it was on my doorstep today, which is amazing. And they do a really nice job boxing up their plants. I am so glad that I do not ship plants anywhere, because just the idea of trying to get a plant states away from you, that's amazing. How they can do that. So they do a really good job, and I'm ready to take this hydrangea out and show you. Okay. I haven't even told you the name of this hydrangea yet, but it has an adorable name. I do love a well-named hydrangea here. So here is my tiny hydrangea, but it is going to grow and be beautiful. Look at that. This is Proven Winners Let's Dance Lovable. And that's just a lovable name, what can you say? So I have some other of the hydrangeas in the Let's Dance series. I have Let's Dance Big Band, which is doing fabulous this year. I have Let's Dance Rhythmic Blue, also looking just beautiful. So I know that this line of hydrangeas blooms on old wood, blooms on new wood, seems really, really hardy here. So now I have another addition to that line of hydrangeas, Let's Dance Lovable. And I will be adding this to the garden. I might put it in a pot the first couple years. I like to sort of baby them along, see how they do, and then eventually move it to the garden. But my other Let's Dance hydrangeas are planted directly in the ground here in Zone 6B, and they are thriving. To quickly compare this new hydrangea Lovable to the hydrangeas that I already have, the beautiful Paris, City Line Paris hydrangea that I have that stays that beautiful deep pink that I'm looking for, if that hydrangea happens to be in acidic soil, it won't turn purple. Just the very centers of the florets will turn purple, which you can see here in this picture. Now, Let's Dance Lovable, while it has that deep saturated pink in alkaline or more neutral soil, if it is put into more acidic soil, it can turn more purple, as you see here. So that is one difference. Another difference is that Paris generally stays smaller, more about 2.5 to 3 feet, whereas the Let's Dance Lovable tends to get more like 4 feet by 4 feet. Now, the other two hydrangeas that I have in the Let's Dance series are also different from Lovable. So Big Band, which is doing fabulous and happens to be blooming pink for me right now, tends to be on the smaller side. That only gets to be about 2.5 by 2.5 feet. So more of a small hedge near my path here. And the new hydrangea Lovable will be slightly bigger than that.
And then the Let's Dance Rhythmic Blue, while it does get bigger also, about 3 to 4 feet tall and wide, is really known for, when you look closely at the florets, they sort of make a rectangle shape, which is very different than any of the other hydrangeas I have. So Let's Dance Lovable really does set itself apart from the current hydrangeas that I have, and I feel like it's a great addition to the collection.
So, thank you to Garden Crossings. This is not a sponsored video. I just really appreciate all your hard work of growing great plants and getting them to us so we can enjoy them. I hope that all of you look online and see if there's anything out there that you want to add to your gardens. Enjoy these beautiful flowers, and I'm sure in the future you'll see an update about Let's Dance Lovable. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.